guys, I'm here with Little Moses at Busted Knuckle. We're going to do a wiper delete on a Mark 5 R32. Mate, shout out. Smash. For fuck's sake, mechanism. What am I on about? So to start this wiper delete, we're going to have to remove the wiper arm. First, we're going to remove the plastic trim, get your 13mm socket and remove the 13mm nut. First, you're going to need your 13mm socket. Moses?
Ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record.
Good boy.
For the record. For the record. For the record.
Once you've removed the 13mm nut, you want to remove the wiper arm from the spline. It can be a bit tricky because it gets bonded. Just give it a bit of a wiggle, pop it off, and we'll move on to the next step. Next, we want to get the trim off from the inside of the hatch. So we want to pop the tailgate, and now we're going to proceed to remove the plastic trim from the inside of the hatch. Okay, next we're going to remove the plastic trim from inside the hatch. There is 2 Torx T20 pieces inside the handles. You want to remove those, and then we can remove the plastic trim.
Want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gonna boost them. I can't work on winnings when I'm
inside the hatch. There is a wiper motor. We want to remove the 3 10mm nuts and remove the wiper motor out.
That's a joke. Tell him laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot.
As you pull the wiper motor out, you want to disconnect the washer jet and also the power supply to the motor.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all.
Now you've done that, we want to remove the rubber bung. Just pop that out, and then we're going to proceed to clean the glass because we're going to bond the kit from the inside, and we want to prepare the glass to ensure that it seals 100%.
Trying to link, no time to waste. For the record. For the record. Yeah. For the record.
Okay, so we're going to take your killer wipers kit. We're going to fit this on the inside of the hatch, so we want to ensure that we test fit it first because the next step can get really messy.
Wait. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record.
Once you've test fitted your kit, we're now going to proceed to bond the kit in place. This can be removed at a later date. You can just cut away the sealant and push the kit back in. But for now, we're going to put the sealant around the edge and fit the kit. A little tip for you guys, if you put a piece of tape down, gaffer tape, any form of tape, put your kit on it and run the bead around the edge, you can then put the kit in and leave it to set. This will hold it in place and stop it from falling whilst it's setting.
When they got it, on record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin', on record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the...
As you notice, some residue of the sealant has come out onto the face of the glass. We just want to wipe this down to ensure no sealant sticks to the glass. If you haven't put enough sealant onto the kit, you can run a seal through the edge of the delete. As the glass is chamfered, you can literally use the needle, run it around the edge, and this will force the sealant into the crevice. Wipe it down, job done. So before you put the trim back on the inside of the hatch, we want to cable tie the power cable and the water jet to the inside of the hatch. Don't want them rattling around, making the noises in the boot. So we've cable tied those out of the way. We've used the bag that your kit came in to cover the electrical plug so no condensation gets inside. And we've bent the washer jet pipe over on itself and cable tied that as well. You can code the washer jet out via VCDs. If you don't have access to VCDs, you can either unplug the washer jet pipe from the front of the car, or you can plug the pipe and cable tie it in half. So guys, we're going to put the trim back on the inside of the hatch, and then we're going to peel off the protective film and the wiper delete to reveal the finished product.
For the record.
So that's the kit done. Me and Moses are going to go and have a cold beer now. Thanks to Ryan for letting us use his car. You can follow me on Instagram, rjparker_R32. You can follow Killer Wipers on Instagram at kill_all_wipers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace out. Welcome to Killer Wipers TV. We're making guides on YouTube how to fit our kits, but if there's any other ideas that you guys want for creative content, post a comment below. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support during COVID-19. We're working on limited staff. It is super busy, and I appreciate your patience. Speak to you soon. Take it easy.
That's a bet, right? That's a a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Just say randoms.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation.
Guys, I'm here with Little Moses at Busted Knuckle. We're gonna do a wife delete and a Mark 5
so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win in my